Zhangjiagang Box and Machinery Company, Limited is a factory specializing in the production of waste plastic washing recycling equipment. We are in Zhangjiagang City, it is near Shanghai. PP woven bags recycling washing line is our main product, deeply loved by customers at home and abroad. The crusher adopts a unique blade shaft structure design, which is optimized for woven bag crushing. It can efficiently crush the material to the ideal size, providing convenience for the subsequent cleaning process. The friction washer applies the corresponding blade striking force to the material at the most suitable rotation speed to achieve the best cleaning effect. Floating washing tank roller is designed for high-pressure underwater cleaning, maximum removal of residual impurities, separation according to different densities. The heavy slag with density bigger than water sinks under the water can be directly discharged through the bottom. Slag outlet. The density of the woven bag scraps are less than water, they are floating over the water, so they will convey to the next step. The discharge roller is a claw-type design, which ensures uniform output and same time controls the moisture content. The entire PP woven bag washing line is specially designed for the recycling and washing of waste polypropylene, PP, woven bags and ton bags, FIBC. Through automated crushing, washing, dehydration, drying and other processes, it can efficiently remove impurities, such as mud, residues, labels, etc., and produce clean PP plastic fragments that can be directly used for granulation or recycling processing. The PP squeezer machine adopts a high-strength spiral extrusion structure. After forced dehydration, the moisture content of PP fragments is less than or equal to 5%, which greatly reduces the subsequent drying energy consumption. Compared with traditional centrifugal dehydration, energy consumption is reduced by 30% plus, and the processing capacity is increased by 20% to 50%. The special screw design ensures uniform material, better particle density and color consistency. The full process of squeeze melting cutting is integrated to avoid the risk of secondary transportation pollution of broken materials in traditional processes. It produces 12 to 20 millimeters irregular finished products, saving site and labor costs. The modular design supports 24-hour continuous operation with a failure rate of less than 1%. And a production capacity of 300 to 1,000 kilograms per hour. You are very welcome to consult us.